Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make a real estate banner. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the Canva application, and this would be the design that I am going to teach you. Okay, so first is you have to download the application and then log into your account. And now that you're here using the search bar at the top, you will then just have to search for Instagram and make sure to select the Instagram post portrait. Okay, so this one, and then this page will open. Now you just have to click on create a blank Instagram post. So right here you got a one page, so you can add more pages if you want to. So for now, you just have to go to the element sections to the left side of your screen, and we are going to add a shape. Okay, so just go to the shapes section and then make sure to select the square shape. So this one right here, and then you will then just have to resize the shape. Okay, so you just have to follow this size. Now after that, let's go back to the shape and add more square. Okay, now just have to resize it like this and then place it here above, and I am going to change the color for you to see the difference. Okay, so the color that I'll be using for this one right here is this color. Then you will then just have to send this to back. So just right click on layer, and then click on send to back. Now the next thing that you should do is you have to go back here in the shape and then find this kind of shape. Okay, then you have to rotate it into 90 degrees and then put it here above, and then you will need to duplicate this one to create a new copy. Okay, so just click on the duplicate button and then put the other one right here at the bottom left. Okay, now that you are done with this shape, let us now add multiple frames. So to do that is you just have to go back here in the element section at the left side and then go to the frames section. And make sure to select the square frame and then put it right here, and we have to overlap the two shape. Okay, so just resize it like this, and after that we are going to duplicate this one at the top. Okay, because we are going to put it right here at the bottom left of the frame. Then just have to send it to back, so just click on layer and click on send it to back, so it should be look like this. Now the next thing that you should do is we have to add multiple frames or 3 frames in total. Then just have to click on the square frame again and just have to resize it, and then make sure to add a border of the first frame. Okay, so you just have to duplicate this later on, so just click on this border at the top and adjust the border weight. Okay, once you're done, just have to duplicate this one and then put the other one right here at the bottom right, and this one is right here. Okay, and then once you're done, we are going to add now the pictures that we are going to use for our banner. Okay, so just go to the upload section at the left side of your screen. Then make sure to upload all of the pictures that you need. So for this main frame is I'm going to use this one. So you just have to drag it and put it inside a frame. And for these 3 small frames right here, I am going to add this one right here. And then, if you want to use the photos from Canva, then just go ahead and go to the element section, and then using the search bar at the top is you just have to type out real estate interior design or so on. Okay, so for now I'm going to search for real estate interior and then go to the photos, and right here you just have to select the photos that you need. So for example, I am going to use this one and place it inside a frame. And if you want to be specific with the pictures that you need, then just have to add words to your search history. For example, real estate interior kitchen, then just have to drag that picture right here. Now that we have completed the pictures that we need for our banner, now let's add more shapes for our text. Okay, so right here, just have to go to the element section again and then go to the shapes section. Then make sure to select the square shape again. Okay, and then you just have to follow this size, so you just have to adjust it because we are going to use this one as the background of our text. Okay, so let me just adjust it and duplicate it and then create another one right here below the first shape, and then just have to change the color. So for this shape I'm going to use this color, and for the other one is this color too. Now I'm going to duplicate it and put another shape at the top of the frame. Okay, now after finalizing the shapes that you need for the background of the text, so if you want to change the color of this shape right here, you just have to click on it and go to the color section and then choose the color that you think is best for your banner. Okay, so this one right here, I need to change the color into light gray, I think, and then after that you will then just have to change the color of the rest. Okay, so as you can see, I am using this color. Now let's add a heading or a text. Right here, I'm going to type out luxury unit, and then I just have to adjust the alignment of your text. Okay, and if you want to change the font style as well, just go to the font style section and then you can resize your text. Okay, now I just have to send this to the back. Okay, so to finalize right here is you have to make sure that the alignment of your text is correct. Okay, now let's add a heading once again and then type out for sale, and we're going to put it right here at the top of the frame. And of course, you should not forget to add a contact information for your banner. So now let's add a subheading, and right here we are going to type out our contact information. So just type out call us, and then below the call us text is you just have to type out your number or your contact information. And of course, we have to change the background color of our banner. So just click on the background and then go to the color section and then click on the add a new color option. So right here, just go to the gradient and then make sure to choose the best gradient color for your banner. So for this background color, I am going to choose the first color, and for the other color is this one. And finally, we can now add the real estate icon. So to add the icon is you just have to go to the elements section again, and then using the search bar is you just have to type out real estate and then go to the graphics section. And right here, you'll be able to see different icons that you can use. So I'll be using this icon, so you just have to click on it and then resize that icon and place it here above. Now you just have to add a word. If that icon does not have the word real estate, then you can add your own. Just add a heading or duplicate some of the text and then replace it with real estate. Okay, and then you will then just have to change the color of the icon, and you can also leave it as it is if you want to. Now let us preview our work and see if this is a perfect banner for real estate. Okay, so as you can see, we have created such a wonderful banner, and then after that, make sure to save it or download this file. So to do that, just click on the share icon at the top right corner of your screen, then click on download, and then make sure to choose the PNG file type and then click on download once again, and then after that your file will be saved. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.